Hi, good morning everybody. This is Cal here, 3rd of August, Monday 2020. Now, last Friday, the Dow Jones closed 110 points higher amid the big tech rally. Apple soared 10% to a record closing. Now, basically, stock wiped out earlier losses on Friday after the biggest tech stocks like Apple and Facebook basically rally big time. Amazon, Apple, Facebook all saw on their Stella quarterly result. So this is what the summary of the news, and let's take a look what happened on Friday actually, right? Let's take a look. Now, what you can see is that the Dow Jones basically, when the market opened, it got resisted at opening price, and this is usually what we know as touch OP movement. And when that happens, we know that the boys have communicated and there could be movement very soon. And true indeed, the Dow Jones came down first, okay? You can see that the Dow basically triggered or the KTR level, did the CCYR. And I mentioned before, when the market is below opening price, concentrate on those trigger trade, CCYR trigger trade. You can see right here now, yellow turns to red, trigger it down all the way, okay? Now, I did mention that there is a very important chocolate bar level at 26.12. Alright, this is the so-called imaginary support level, which incidentally was pretty exciting because you can see the way the market from the high all the way came down, hit the 26.12 level and rebound almost instantly. So it seems to be that the market or the Wall Street does know this 26.12 existent. And of course, when the market found the support at the bottom and recover and cross above the 26.12, amazingly, the last 2 hours, the Dow Jones recovered most of its losses, in fact. So this is the actual market on the CFD side, but traders, the takeaway is always remember this: when it's below opening price, it will be better to look for CCYR trade that triggers. I think normally that will become a better trade. Alright, so that is the Dow Jones on Friday, and let's see for today, shall we? Now for today, the Dow Jones, you can see that despite though there was some recovery on the cash market, but the futures market or the CFD market doesn't show the same number. And for today's opening price is above pivot 1, 26254. So this tells me that as long as the Dow Jones can stay above opening price, there will be some buying interest. But of course, if the Dow Jones stay below opening price, like what's happening now, then 26254 will be a very important support level for today. Now, if the Dow Jones do break below 26254, the main support will be this price 26112. You can see that it was supported twice consecutively. All right. Now, what if the Dow goes below 26112? Then what will happen? Well, based on the pivot 25893 will be the level to watch. All right. So my personal take is this: the market basically, you can see, is leaving away from the cage SL level. This is not very comforting. So normally when the market behaves in this way, there is a possibility to see some selling later. But of course, the KSI now is still green in color. Therefore, the buying interest is still there. So you can see every time the market hits around this level, maybe you can consider taking some position right here. All right, just take note of that. But of course, you need to follow the color change rule. All right. Let's look at 15-minute chart intraday. Now, the intraday chart is still a bit early now, but there were a few touch OP in the morning. So that tells you again the boys have communicated. And of course, incredibly now it is supported at the KTR -1 level. Look at it. Amazing. It's as if that they know this level exists. So the thing is, the KTR -2 and pivot 1 happen to be very nearby. It's a stack here. So what happened is that if the Dow Jones really go below 26350, there is a very good chance to see 26251 later. Okay, KSI is red in color. There, it's not really a jump yet, almost there. So that means that the selling interests are in the market. All right, guys. So I hope that you do well for today. Wish you all the best. This is Cal signing off.